Let's look at final exam, question number 37, found on page 374 of Trigonometry Demystified, 2nd edition. We're given this formula. For any real number x, the hyperbolic sine is equal to e to the x minus e to the minus x, the whole quantity over 2. E is known as the exponential constant. And it is an irrational number which is approximately equal to 2.71828. 2.71828. Fortunately, we don't have to worry about that messy string of numbers here. Fortunately, or perhaps unfortunately, because all of our answers are given in terms of e, so we're going to have to do some algebraic manipulation. We want to know what the hyperbolic sine of -1 is. Okay, we plug that in. E to the -1 minus e to the -1, which is just e to the 1, or e, and that whole quantity over 2. All right, let's work this numerator out a little bit more. That's 1 over e minus e over 1. We can just change the notation a little bit. The whole thing over 2. Now if you'll remember your algebra and how to do a subtraction like this, it's 1 times 1, which is 1, minus e times e, which is e squared, over e times 1, which is e. And then we take this whole quantity and divide it by 2, which we can simplify to 1 minus e squared over 2e. That works out to be choice A. Choice A. Really, this is kind of a problem. I'll make a confession here. I kind of worked this backwards. I kind of reverse engineered the problem just to try and get you to think a little bit about how all these e's fool around with each other in equations like this. Sometimes trigonometry is nothing more than manipulating constants like that. And in this case, this is a classical example of it. Again, the correct answer is A.